I'm about to do my intro.
I'm putting cream and sugar in mine.
Today, as you can see behind me, my little brother and my boyfriend are having a cook-off. What are you guys making?
Thank you. Grilled cheese and tomato soup.
Grilled cheese and tomato soup.
Johnny, what are you guys being judged on?
Presentation, creativity, and taste.
Just like Chop. Okay, what's your name?
Robert Cole Hoffman.
My name's Johnny Takala.
I am Gracie's boyfriend.
Yeah.
I'm Gracie's brother.
Do you have some sort of plan of action for your recipe today?
Yeah, I'm just gonna, cook my dish to the best of my ability.
I'm not big on flating, so I'm hoping that my flavors are gonna carry it over the top.
Do you have any words for Cole about the competition today?
Yeah.
Johnny! Do you have any words for Johnny?
Nah. Let's get it.
Yep.
Get to work. Are you feeling stressed yet?
Oh, no. I've literally cut one onion. I think I'm alright. Where'd you get this recipe from?
I didn't get a recipe.
He got it from his brain.
I'm peeling my garlic. It's really not working. My eyes are watering. That's not how it works. I put the tomatoes in, then I let it come up to a simmer. Did you know anything about making tomato soup?
No, apparently not.
Yeah, apparently not. We're such trash talking.
Hey Cole,
Not really.
did you wash your hands before you started cooking?
Yes.
Are you lying?
No.
Did you wash your hands? What are you doing right now, Johnny?
Measuring out my rice, because I'm making a bisque.
What?
The starch from the bisque, from the rice makes the bisque creamy.
Totally get one minute, so.
I'm making a 2-cheese grilled cheese sandwich on white bread, and I'm gonna color the cheese so that when you cut it in half, it'll make the cheese bowl looks like a rainbow. Hoping the presentation will give me extra points. For the tomato soup, I'm gonna make creamy tomato bisque.
So I'm just gonna make a classic tomato soup, and I'm gonna make an Asiago and mozzarella grilled cheese with bacon and pepper jelly.
Oh. Okay.
The undo's on for hundo. Put my rice in, and I'm gonna give it a little wang jangle. Okay, while I'm gonna grate and
There's a canine in the kitchen.
Okay. Should I do big cheese or little cheese?
Your big cheese.
Yeah. I'll go little cheese. If you know what I mean.
If I know.
I hate myself. We're the sinners! So I have some heavy cream over here that is going to go into the soup later, and I'm also going to use that and the basil to garnish on top of the soup at the end, so it's going to be very colorful.
How do you think your cooking is going so far?
It's coming together well so far. I just put the tomatoes and onions and garlic in the oven, baking at 400 for 40 minutes.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that turns out.
How do you think Johnny's doing?
Absolutely terribly. His dish looks like garbage that you would find outside of like a hospital.
Good, I got my soup on the stove simmering, I dyed all my cheese. The only thing that I think could cause his downfall is his spicy relish that he's putting in, mixing into his pepper jam. I feel like he might make it too spicy.
This episode of Gracie's video series is sponsored by Guinness.
Because apparently riding a dog like a small horse is frowned upon in this establishment. It's a bisque. Jeez.
I don't make biscuits.
Jeez.
I'm not wealthy.
I only make money.
I only make hit records.
Cheater. Smell like a pond.
You smell like wet monkey scalp. Just like your opinion, man.
That's just like your opinion, man.
Looking good so far. Do Johnny's since he finished first.
Okay, this is Johnny's. Maybe grilled cheese. That's a good sandwich. It's very cheddary. Oh my gosh, this is really good soup. This is really good soup. It is very like sharp cheddary though. This is Cole's. Oh, this is a lot like heavier.
Yeah.
Really good. I thought that was gonna be really spicy, but it's not that spicy because it's like more sweet than it is spicy. This is like one of the best grilled cheeses I've ever had. It's good. It's more like liquidy and not as like creamy, which is fine, but that makes it taste more kind of like tomato saucy than like soupy. I don't know what to say though, because I feel like this soup is a lot better, but this sandwich is a lot better.
Ooh.
I don't know. After thinking about it, I think that Johnny's was a better, it was just like a traditional good grilled cheese. And the soup was like creamy, like really nice. Cole's was more like different, not like traditionally like grilled cheesy, but when you like take the sandwich and eat it with the soup together, it's like really nice combination together. I think that Cole's dish wins today, but I think Johnny made better soup. So. Are you intimidated?
I think we should do some sister singing.